First, ensure your Audi is off and the key fob is not in use. Gather a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the small slot on the fob's edge. A4, A5 fobs often have a release button, while A7, A8 may need more force. Gently pry open the fob. Slide out the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. This ensures the new battery is installed correctly. Be sure not to scratch the housing of the fob. Using a plastic prying tool will prevent damage. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Firmly snap the fob halves back together, avoiding excessive force to prevent damage. Press the unlock button to test the fob's functionality. If it doesn't work, consult your owner's manual to repair the fob with the vehicle via the ignition. Properly dispose of the old battery through a recycling program.